28th, I believe, December. And I'm up and I'm doing purlins. And so I've gotten the first 6 up there. I've decided not to stagger them because I have a nail gun now and I can actually get in there and just kind of diagonally hit them across that 2x4 to nail them in. So I staggered them on the other one, and it just I just don't like the way it looks, so I'm not going to stagger these. I'm just going to keep it all in line, and it's going pretty well. I'm going to put in all the ones that I have to get to on the ladder, this outside ring first, and get that finished. And what I've decided is about the only way that you can do this is with one person. Is you've got to do something where you can hold the end of your wood. And so I've got this piece here, and I'm trying to show it to you. There it is. So I've got this piece and I'm reusing it, and it's just a little stake. But what I'm doing is I'm just giving myself a little edge right there to hang it on that rafter. So I'm putting one of these on both ends, and then when I get up there and set it, I can hang it on the rafter, and that will drop it down flush with the rafter, and I don't have to worry about holding it. And that's just the way to do it. It takes, an extra probably 10 seconds to put these two pieces on. You just back that screw out and keep using it over and over again. And it's really not that much more work. It's just a little bit of an aggravation, but so is building by yourself. So, I mean, it is what it is. So that's the way I'm doing it. I think I can get some footage to show you how to do it. I did some footage of that on the other one, just to show you, but might be interesting just to give you an idea of how you can kind of create extra hands for yourself. Right. So what you have to do, once you get your piece cut to the right length and you've got your 2 little end caps on it, you got to get up here and set it. You got too many things to carry. You try to carry it all up at one time.
I'm afraid I can't look up anymore, so...
Just look at the camera, buddy.
That's the thing, the camera... Oh.
All right, are you doing this?
Ow.
Yeah. Okay, so that will hold your end on that end, and this one should fit or get close on this end. Sometimes you got to go past it and come back just a little. And that's why you hang your hammer up here. Harley's been good enough to go plug my compressor in every time I forget to, because I've only got one plug between that and the... All right. So I get that one in, get a couple of shots on it, and then I take this off and make sure my height looks right before I nail it completely, and that's flush. That looks good.
Ow.
Ow.
Hit me with the compression tube.
The air hose?
Yeah.
You got nailed by the air hose?
Yeah.
Man, that's brutal. All right. Now I got to move my ladder, and I got to get my air hose down here, but that's how you do it. Clear as mud?
But it's not clear.
That's what I'm saying. That's the funny part of that. All right. Cut.
I'm filming.
Well, what?
Start talking.
Oh, I can't talk about everything. Some things are just visual. What, does this need explanation?
Yeah.
Well, I already explained it.
Explain it again.
All right, I'm putting these little tabs on the end, so I'll have something to hang these 2x6s off on the rafters when I get up there. This is very hard. See, God only gave us 2 hands. And
Which is why
we really needed more. But I'm not second guessing him. He's the man. He knows what he's doing. I think if we had more hands, Harley, we would probably itch more. Don't you think?
I think we'd be less itchy.
Less itchy?
Yeah.
Nah. We'd be more itchy, I'm sure. Because we have the ability scrap so many more places. Okay, so what I'm doing, see this? I'm just gonna feed it over there. Use a little bit of leverage. Set that one out there where it's gonna go. And it's not there yet, but that's pretty close. And then this one has to get, I don't think I've got some screws, so I'll go ahead and just screw it in to this end.
Pretty cloudy day, huh?
Pretty cloudy day, Harlan.
Oh.
about 2:30 on Sunday. We got to do some four-wheeler riding this weekend, so I'm going to take a break here. But I've got about half of the Purlins done, and it's not so hard. It just goes slowly. I got one section that I messed up on. Somehow I got it on the wrong side of my mark, so I've got a little wonky section. I'm going to have to get up there next time I'm here and take a Sawzall and cut those nails and move those to the right side of the line. Man, I hate stuff like that. But sometimes you just don't pay attention to what you're doing. So anyway, other than that, it looks really good. It's straightened up. It's really firmed up. The whole structure as we're going, it's tying it all together. It's going to get cold the next couple days, so we're going to be home batten down the hatches. Don't like it when it's in the 20s and the 30s, and we'll be back probably at the end of the week when it starts to warm back up. We got 1 week here, New Year's Eve coming up this week. But that's it. That's the update from Bible Grove.